Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a update on Windows updates. And today we are Tuesday, March 24th, 2020. And of course we have the second Tuesday of the month that usually has security updates. But there are other weeks. Actually, Microsoft gives the update weeks a letter, A, B, C, and D. A being the first week of the month. So usually there is at some point some optional updates that are released. And today, well, these optional updates are now available for two versions of Windows 10, which are the most popular of all. So if you're on the May 2019 update, that's version 1903, or if you're on the November 2019 update, that is 1909, you have a set of optional updates today. Once again, these are optional. That means if you don't have any problems with your PC, just ignore them. Honestly, I do believe in even more in computers. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. So if everything is all right, just ignore this. But if you have problems, maybe this could fix some of the problems that you have. Big list of fixes. I mean, this thing fixes tons and tons of things in Windows, and really a huge list actually. So if you have some problems, maybe this could actually fix some of the problems you had with your PC in those two versions of Windows 10. Once that is installed, because it's optional, once again, you'll have to click the download and install button in order for it to install. This is not installing automatically. You will be at version 18362.752. That's for the May 2019 update. Or 18363.752. So the ending is always the same because these two versions are almost the same thing except for a few changes. So they always have the same updates at the same time. So 18362 and 18363. The ending is .752. 752 is what you should have if you type the WinVer or Windows version command. So that fixes, like I said, a lot of things. Nothing secured in here. Nothing, don't think that this fixes the security problem that we've talked today and yesterday. No security in here at all. This is really just bug fixing. So if you've gotten, like I said, no problems, I think it's better to just stay away. But if you have problems, maybe you should check it out. This fixes, like I said, a lot of little things in diverse parts of Windows, including some apps, like your phone app, for example. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.